Alrighty, g'day everyone. Today I've got a stock lock. This is a nice old school Yale cylinder, that nasty Y1 keyway. I picked this up at a demolition yard many moons ago, so I thought I'd get around to picking and filming it for everyone. Oh, and I've taken off the C-clip because I hate those damn things. Constant struggle. Alright, so we've got a nice old Yale key as well. So you can see up the back there we got some pretty high lifts, which are a bit of a challenge to get to in these Yale keyways. Works beautifully. Oh, look at that, key landed standing up. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Make sure we see everything. Yep. Pin 1. Give a click. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5. There we go. Dropped into a false set here. Okay, there we go. That's the open. So those spools gave us a bit of trouble, and when I got it, you'll see I had to sort of manually counter rotate and just keep tapping away at it. Nice old lock, this. Okay, so plug. All 5 chambers have a bit of a chamfering on them, so that definitely added to the picking difficulty as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They're all standard key pins, however they have a bit of a tapering on them on the tops, similar to Lockwood, so bit of a battle to try and avoid those oversets. And okay, standard pin in 1. That bastard spring. There we go. Alright, so I thought these would be all standards, but contained a couple of these really nice spools. They're quite deep and they have a really thin lip on the bottom, so they provide really good counter rotation as well as like catching a bit. Oh. Spring. And driver 3 is also a tapered standard. Okay, in through the back. Another standard with nice tapering. And number 4 is another one of these U-Butte spools. Okay, so I'll give you a close-up of them. And yeah, check out the nice tapering on these standard drivers as well as the key pins. And these spools, yeah, quite deep on the spooling there, and these tiny lips on the bottom really make for a nice fun pick. Alright, I think that'll do it. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time, eh? Thanks.